Hello, friends! Have you ever wondered how a simple decimal number like 0.625 gets converted into binary? You know, those ones and zeros that computers understand? In this video, I'll show you exactly how that happens, step by step, with clear visuals. Let's dive in.
All right, the method we use is called the multiply by 2 method. The idea is super simple. You take your fraction, multiply it by 2, and then check the result. Based on that result, you either write a 1 or a 0. That's it. That's the whole trick. Now, let me show you the 2 rules you need to remember. Rule 1, if the result is 1 or greater, write down a 1 and subtract 1 from the number. Rule 2, if the result is less than 1, just write a 0 and keep the number as it is. Pretty simple, right?
Let's try this out with a real example. We'll take the number 0.625 and convert it into binary together. Follow along. It's easier than it looks.
Step 1. We multiply 0.625 by 2, which gives us 1.25. Since this is greater than 1, we write down a 1. Then we subtract 1, leaving us with 0.25 to work with next. So far, our binary looks like 0.1.
Step 2. Now we take 0.25 and multiply it by 2, which gives us 0.5. This is less than 1, so we write down a 0 and keep the number as 0.5. Our binary is now 0.10.
Step 3. We multiply 0.5 by 2 and we get exactly 1. That's greater than or equal to 1, so we write a 1, subtract 1, and we're left with 0. And that means we're done. Our final binary is 0.101.
Let me show you the whole thing in one place. Here's the complete conversion in a neat little table. 3 steps, 3 binary digits, and boom, 0.625 becomes 0.101 in binary. Super clean, right?
Now, you might be wondering, why do we limit the loop to just 10 bits? Well, some fractions can go on forever in binary. 10 bits gives us enough accuracy for most cases without letting the program run endlessly. It's a smart, practical limit.
Here's something important to remember. Not every fraction ends cleanly in binary. For example, 0.625 converts perfectly, but 0.1 keeps repeating forever. That's exactly why we stop at 10 bits, to keep things practical. So, let's wrap it up in 4 simple steps. Multiply by 2, check the result, write 1 or 0, and repeat. That's the whole logic computers use to convert fractions into binary. If this made sense to you, hit that like button and subscribe to Webronaq for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one.